Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Okay, today's another hair video. So today in this video I'm going to be doing a product comparison. I'm going to see if buying higher end natural hair products is worth it. I go into the beauty supply store and I see all these hair products just for natural hair girls, and I'm just like, okay, should I spend more money or should I just not spend more money? Because I never know what to get. I want to see, do I have to spend the $25 on this product? Can I just get the $10 product and I'll get the same results? So I'm going to test this out in this video here today, but you have to stay until the end to see exactly which side is which, okay? I'm going to be comparing these two here. Me trying out the Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl La La Defining Custard Cream. So this was considered lower end. So the next side that I'm going to be comparing is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. So this is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard Styling Gel, and this is going to be considered the higher end product that I'm going to be using my hair. Based on looking at my hair now, can you tell which side is the higher end side and which side is the lower end side? Comment down below. Stop the video, comment down below, or just say it out loud. Like up this video, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I just want to come in first and show you how my hair is right now. I did not want to apply the products onto my hair when it's dry because I feel like it's not realistic for me and my lifestyle. But do let me know down below in the comments if you'd like me to try curl enhancing products on dry hair. I don't find it to be realistic. I feel like the best results you'll get is when your hair is wet. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go wet my hair. We're going to come back. So let's get into this. Okay, I wet my hair as much as I can. So what I'm going to do is section my hair so it can make the process so much more easier. I am just going to, it's not going to be anything perfect. Well, I guess the only part of this is that needs to be a little bit more neater is just the middle parting in my hair. And even so, I just need it to be straight, that's it. And I'm just going to section everything with these hair ties here. When it comes to the side like this, all I'm doing is just parting it regular. Then for the front, I'm just going to one bun. It's going to be a second bun. Okay, so this is how it looks. Looks funny, but now I'm going to choose what product is going to be on each side. So let's start off with, let's start off with this side. This is the Auntie Jackie's, so we're going to do this side first. So now I've never used any of these products before, but I just know that one's really, really high priced and the other one really isn't. So the Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl La La. So this is the Defining Curl Custard. Define, shape, and control curls, wave coils, and braid outs. So basically this is going to define and moisture at the same time. Now this smells good, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, I just have some extra. Now in real life, this method takes a long time of sectioning your hair and putting the product on, but I'm going to try and work as fast as I can. Then you just want to just make sure your hair is detangled. Today I'm going to get this product here. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I'll just put, and I put a lot of product. That's just how I am because I'm trying to define my hair, right? So I'm just finger combing it through. So Auntie Jackie's is supposed to be the lower end hair product because it just cost way less than the Kinky Curly. I don't know if it's really curling. It looks like my regular hair curls. There's some techniques to make your hair more curly, like they spin. I'm not gonna do all that because I just want to show you how realistic, like realistically, the average person, the daily person is just putting the product in their hair and going. I feel like I need some more products at this top. I don't know why the top of my hair. Okay, let me just do this section. It kind of is, so let me see. Do I have to just put more product, or this is a wide tooth comb, so I don't think it'll really define it. Let's see. No, it's the same thing. Okay, so this is how it's looking. The curls aren't too bad. Okay, that's the best I can do for this side. So let's continue. I don't really want to spend too much time on one section. My hair is really thick, super thick, so this is gonna take me a while. Ooh, I'm kind of liking how this looks. Not bad. Look at that. Not too bad. I still feel like some parts of my hair is not curling, and I'm putting so much product. I don't think adding more product, I got stuff in my eye. I don't think adding more product is going to help. I think this is just how much my curl is defining with this product here. The product will be distributed much better with your fingers instead of using a comb. So we're gonna do the same. This product smells so good. Yeah, it smells, it doesn't have a bad smell. I feel like the more I run my fingers through, the more I'm starting to see more curl. Okay, this is how it looks so far, and I'm not gonna put any more. You saw how much I put, and that's it. I just don't feel like adding more product is going to define, show how much my hair is actually defined. This looks, yeah, this is not bad so far. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is proceed on to the back part, and I'm obviously going to go in with the anti-jackies, and then I'm going to come back in. We're going to look at how this side looks, and then we're going to proceed on to the right side to see how everything looks. I'm done this side of the hair, and guys, my hair is actually really defined. The only thing right now that I'm concerned about, I'm gonna turn to the back, is the ends of my hair. I just feel like the ends of my hair is not as defined, and that's the best I could do for the back of my hair. But I've been mainly focusing a lot of the product on the ends right now because I was just like, how come the ends don't look so defined? So this is how my hair is curled. I'm just gonna quickly wash my hands just to make sure that there's no product on my hands while I'm putting in the Kinky Curly. Okay, I'm so excited to try this one. I really want to see if there's a difference because maybe we've been spending unnecessary money. Who knows? So let's see. So this side is slightly damp. Let's just section. Again, like I said, sectioning your hair perfectly is not necessary. I'm just gonna run my comb through that. Okay, so this is the bottle and how it looks. The packaging for the Kinky Curly is just so simple. Simple, basic, but I heard it's really good. So it says Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard, so natural styling gel. So wash and condition your hair. Okay, so basically it's just saying after you wash your hair and comb it out, you're going to apply this gel. They have directions on the packaging for thick, coarse hair curls and loose, wavy curls. I have thick, coarse curls. I have some thick hair. So hair must be dripping wet. Divide hair into small sections. Comb, brush, or rake into each sections. Use a spray bottle to re-wet any dry sections. This is how much I'm taking. The Kinky Curly, of course, whoa, it's dropping everywhere. The Kinky Curly, of course, is more of a gel consistency, while the anti-jackies was more of a custard. Whoa, look at that curl back here. That defined so fast. I feel like my hair is already defining so fast, and look at my ends, like they're so, wow, they're so defined. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to focus some more product up at my root. Wow, this is really good. It smells producty. I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't smell as good as the anti-jackies. I'm not even using a lot. Like with the anti-jackies, I was using a lot. Wow, look at my ends. Sorry, I'm just in awe right now. Okay, so let's continue. Oh my gosh, this product is really good for people on the go. If you want to see curls defined instantly without having to focus so much on one section, I feel like the Kinky Curly, that's the product. If I use this product, I probably would have to spray something or put something in my hair that smells good. The way I use this product, I don't think it's going to last me a long time because I use so much of the product and it comes in such a small size. So this is how small it is. And so this is $25, but that's something to think about, especially if you're someone who likes defining their hair curls every day. I would probably go with the anti-jackies because it would last longer because you get more with the anti-jackies for a lower price. Yeah, I like it so far. My ends are defined with such little product, such little time I needed. It was like instant. As soon as I put the product in and I brushed my hands through, you saw the difference. Wow, oh my gosh, oh, this is so good. I've used a lot of the product. This is how much I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've used basically half of the bottle. My hair looks so funny right now, but I'm going to allow this side to dry up and then I'm going to come back on camera. Okay, so now we're gonna look at the final thing. I just had to pin my hair back and I was doing my makeup. So you're going to decide what side you like and I'm going to tell you what side I like as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring my hair back to life a little bit. This is how it's looking. This side is the Kinky Curly side and this side is the anti-jackie side. Now my curls, I just have to make sure. Now my curls look good on both sides, okay? My favorite side is the Kinky Curly side. The reason why it's the Kinky Curly side, because as you can see, my hair is just so super defined. Even the ends of my hair, they're just so defined. As I talked about throughout the video, how the anti-jackies is great, but I feel like it's not as defined as the Kinky Curly side. And end, especially the ends of my hair, is not as defined. I feel like my hair is a little bit elongated more on the kinky curly side than on the anti-Jackie side. I don't know, you guys tell me, do you think so too? I just like how it looks. Okay, so another thing I was thinking about, I was like, okay, maybe there's differences in how my hair looks because this is a custard and this is a gel. But then I was like, maybe not, because the intention for both of these products is to define curls, moisturize, and reduce frizz, right? I was like, maybe I'm just thinking a little bit too much into it, but I really like this. Like, I'm going to be buying more of their products because clearly it works well with my hair. So if you have hair texture similar to mine, I definitely recommend. Look at that curl pattern, and then the curl pattern is nice on both sides, as you can see. But then again, I feel like you can see every individual curl on this side more than this. And just the ends look a little bit frizzy to me. It looks not defined. This side looks really good. This video definitely does show that lower end products are still good in your hair. But this video also showed that higher end products probably is worth the money. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. In this video, I really did want to show you if there are differences between higher end natural hair products or not. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I do a lot more natural hair based videos similar to this. And I'm going to link these down below if you want to shop online for these products, but also you can go into any beauty supply store and you should be able to find these. Definitely give this video a thumbs up or comment down below what your thoughts are, and comment down below what products I should try next. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.